Hey everyone, I'm Srinivasan, .NET developer. We are looking into SQLite Database tutorial. In this video, I'm going to explain how to write a inner join queries in SQLite. And for that, we are going to use these two tables. One is parent table, the upper one is parent table, and yeah, this table is child table, and the ID of the parent table is related to the parent ID column of the child table. So this parent ID belongs to the ID of the parent table. Okay, so yeah, let's get into this. Before explain about inner join, so I just want to show you the diagram. So you can see these are all the joins. These are all the remaining three joins I will explain in future videos. So now we are going to see a inner join, right? So we have parent table and then we have child table. The common column for these two tables is ID and parent ID, right? So um, we have six IDs, 1 2 3 4 5 6 in parent table, and we have 1 2 3 4 IDs only. So we have no 5 and 6, which means the Runian Adam has no children. That's what it means, right? So yeah, we have 1 2 3 4 IDs only, and yeah, each ID is a parent. Each row is a parent, and the parent has many children in child table, right? So now we are going to fetch some data, fetch some columns in a single, and we are going to get a single result, right? So for that, I'm going to create your query editor, and now gonna write query. Select p dot name as parent name, comma c dot name as child name, comma yeah, that's it, from parent p join. So you may have a question. So why did I why do I mention why did I mention join here instead of inner join? So whenever we write join, which means we are implicitly writing inner join query. Okay, so you no need to additionally write inner join in all queries. So if you need, so you can use, not a problem, not the problem. So now child c on p dot id equal to c dot parent id. Yeah, uh, I want to explain each part of the query. We are going to select the name of the parent and name of the child. So name of the parent and name of the child is not in the same table, right? So we are going to relate these IDs, and we are going to fetch name of the parent, and again name of the child. That's what this query will do, and we are just alias the name of the parent name and child name, and from parent table. So first table is parent table, and parent table we are alias p character. So we can use any name like this. We can use character, we can use any name related to the particular table. And here I just gave C for child, and on, after the on keyword, so we need to mention which columns are equal in this case. Like as I said earlier, the ID of the parent p. Now p is a parent, so we are just allies. P is the allies of parent, right? So p dot id equal to c dot parent id. This is a child table, c dot parent id. See, alias child parent id. So now if I run the query, you can see and yeah, I just want to additionally fetch the id to explain clearly. So now you can see 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, but we have a 5 and 6. We don't have a 5 and 6 rows in the result, right? Which means whenever we use inner join, it this query, when we execute this query, so the SQLite will see the common IDs used in the both table and fetch the details of those rows only. Okay, so 1 2 3 4. Also we have 1 2 3 4 in the parent table. In both table we have 1 2 3 4 IDs only. We have 5 and 6 in parent table only. So um, when we write a inner join query, it will fetch the common data only. So we should have that particular id. We should have the particular common id in both tables, right? In both tables, so then only we can fetch those data. That's what it means. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 id in parent table, 1 2 3 4 5 4 in child table, but in both tables we have 1 2 3 4 ids commonly, right? So we can fetch the details of these rows only. So and now you can see John, the Kelvin, Peter, Kim are children of John. So that's why we are getting three times John here. And yeah, Robert F. Robert F is a children of Frederick. So ID is 2. Frederick. So Frederick, ID 2, Frederick, Robert. Yeah. So Andrea has two children. So you can see two children. The ID is same in 4 4. Andrea has two children. And yeah, you can select any columns within the um, uh, two tables in a query. Like if I want to fetch the age, again blood group. Yeah, now you can see Kelvin's age is 17, Peter, Kim, Robert, Richard, Tia, and yeah. As we're writing simple select queries, we can yeah, writing simple select query, we can use where clause in uh, join queries. So nothing is different here. So I'm going to filter some data here, more than 18. So sorry. So we are getting, yeah, this is very important. So we are getting error, right? So because ambiguous column name, so there is a conflict in the age, because we have age in both tables. We have age column in both tables. So one is parent age and another age of children. So we need to mention which age is more than 18. Here the age of the child must be more than 18. That's what we are giving the condition. So now you can see Robert F and Richard is or elder than uh, all the other children. Okay, yeah, this is how we can write join queries in SQLite. I hope you can understand this tutorial. And if you like this video, please like, share, and for further tutorial videos, so subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you. Thank you so much.